we can give some people who are listening now who are studying, but also actually maybe people who are thinking about getting into cybersecurity for the first time. They might be really nervous, a complete career changer, and like, oh, I could never study cybersecurity or land a job. What would be your top 3 tips for somebody that's looking to get into cyber for the first time?
Top 3, my first one would be do your research. Doing your, like for me, the more research I did, the more motivated I got and the more excited I got about getting into this field. So do your research, look into everything. Another one would be invest in yourself. So what I did with you guys, when I joined with you, I invested in myself. I invested in this career. So not only am I motivated now, I've now put my time and money where it should go. And now I'm going to get it done, because once you've invested in yourself, you're going to keep working, and it's going to motivate you to work harder as well.
Yep.
And I think the final tip, honestly, it's better than, what's the worst that can happen? That's honestly it. What's the worst that can happen? You take that jump and it doesn't work out for you. You'll just be where you are right now. But what if it works out? Like for me, it worked out.
Yeah, exactly. And then what's the consequence of not doing anything?
The consequence of not doing anything is just you sit around and you're always going to be like, what if? And I think that's worse than actually trying, just sitting around and being like, if I tried, I would probably be here. Had I not signed up with you guys when I did, I wouldn't have a job in cybersecurity right now, which is crazy. And there was a point where I was like, oh no, maybe I'm just going to wait it out. I'm just going to wait 6 months. I'll finish my semester at uni and then I'll sign up. And I remember, I can't remember if it was Lachlan, but someone said to me, why not just sign up now? Why wait? Mm-hmm. And I was like, you know what? That's so true. So I signed up, and had I not, I wouldn't be where I am right now.
That is a quality that there's no wonder you're successful in the training and successful in finding a job so quickly, because a huge part of cybersecurity is not only identifying problem solving, but actually taking action on those problems.